Carrots are not only delicious and versatile vegetables but also packed with numerous health benefits. Here are 10 surprising health benefits of carrots. Rich in nutrients, carrots are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and fiber. Vitamin A, in particular, is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Eye health, carrots are known for their high beta-carotene content, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for maintaining good eyesight and may help prevent conditions like night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Antioxidant properties. Carrots contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and premature aging. Heart health. The fiber and potassium in carrots can contribute to heart health. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Weight management. Carrots are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a filling snack. The fiber helps control appetite, potentially aiding in weight management. Digestive health. The fiber in carrots also supports a healthy digestive system. It promotes regular bowel movements and can help prevent constipation. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that diets rich in beta-carotene and other antioxidants may reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as lung and colon cancer. Improved skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in carrots can contribute to healthier skin. They may help reduce skin problems like acne and promote a youthful complexion. Immune support. Vitamin C in carrots is essential for a strong immune system. It helps the body produce white blood cells, which are vital for fighting infections. Bone health. Carrots contain vitamin K, which is important for bone health as it helps with calcium absorption and bone mineralization. It's important to note that while carrots offer these health benefits, they should be part of a balanced diet. Incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your meals can provide a wide range of nutrients and maximize the potential health benefits. Don't forget to like and subscribe.